how to sort and filter data in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to sort and filter data in Google Sheets. In that case, you have to first of all open up a browser. On the web address bar you need to go ahead and type in docs.google.com/spreadsheet. I'm going to make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. When you do that, right on this page, first thing, you have to go ahead and select the square from the top left hand side corner. When you do that, all the cells going to be selected. After you're done selecting it, you can go to this icon that says filter. Go ahead and select that. When you do that, here you can see that the filter has been created, and in the cell box you can see there's this arrow icon next to the statement. Just go ahead and press on it. When you do that, now you can go ahead and select the way of filtering. So you can go ahead and sort A to Z. That means from lowest to the highest. And here as well, go through this icon and then go to sort A to Z. From here you'll be able to see highest to lowest. So similarly here, if you wish to see the status, just go ahead and tap the arrow icon. Then you can select close. So that's how you can sort of filter in Google Sheet. However, if you wish to remove it, press on the cell from the top left hand side corner and then go to the filter icon. As you do that, the filter is going to be removed. So that is how you can sort and filter data in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.